Hello, my name is Park Ju-young, and I am currently attending Gui High School. The movie I will introduce to you is Marathon, a Korean movie released in 2005. To briefly introduce this movie, Marathon is a movie that tells the story of Choan, an autistic boy who has autism spectrum disorder but who has more passion and determination than anyone else. It is a work that gives strength to the beginning of being able to complete a marathon with your mother even in the midst of difficult realities. The reason I recommend this movie is that it is a genre that is loved abroad like movies like Wonder, and it allows us to see the perspective and reality of Korean society toward the disabled, as well as the devotion of parents. The first memorable incident and line is Chowan's legs $1 million legs. This is what his mother and Chowan say together at the beginning of the movie to encourage him right before he runs a marathon without a coach. The second line I remember is my child has a disability. There was a misunderstanding on the subway, so Chowan said what she remembered her mother saying. Chowan's mother must have been very sad when she heard that. After reading the introduction to this movie, I hope you feel like you want to see it and understand why I recommend it. Lastly, while doing my assignment, I tried to make it so that originals who would want to see this movie when they see it. And while watching Marathon again to do this assignment, I realized that I am grateful to my parents and that the awareness of disabilities has changed a lot around the world. Thank you for listening to the movie introduction so far.